Good. In this segment, we're going to go back to our basics, but starting with our stances and building off our stances to build our power in. Now, to make a fist, the first line on your hand, you want to clip that little finger in, then all the others are going to clip right beside it to where it feels like there's something rolled up inside. You put your thumb 1.5 fingers down. Now from here, we have a good solid fist. Never, you don't want to tuck that thumb in where it's going to get hit. It's good and square. We're going to start with our palm up, and from here, we're going to go out, rotate until we find our target. Once we find our target with our hand, then we flip that over with the middle knuckle still being in alignment with the thumb. Now, ideally, everything is going to be shoulder level. Doesn't mean you can't punch higher or punch lower, but we're going to start to add to our power. If one hand is back, the other is out. From here, we're going to exhale on every punch. So from here, strong power. Pulling the elbow back, snapping back. Still staying in our stance now, wanting to keep that power in there. From here, again, snap. The same thing can be applied when we're moving from our bow stance. From our side, power is going to come off the back heel. Now, a lot of people let this back foot come up in different types of sports. The power in the leg is transferred more through the leg when that heel is applied directly to contact on your surface that you're standing on, where you can rotate that back in. If you raise up on the toe, the ankle is taking most of that leg power away from you. In our Kung Fu, we want, again, training low. This is where the leg strength is going to come in. From here, we're going to snap this out. Straight ahead, punching and extending this elbow. Straight into our target. Turning it and snapping it when we make contact with our target. Same thing to the other side. Just starting from here. Straight out on our punch. Sinking everything down. Good. Now, our horse stance we can punch from. A bow stance we can punch from. But you cannot kick from this horse stance. We have to go back to our bow stance where we're coming straight in. If our hands are up, we're opposite hand, opposite foot, holding our balance. And bringing the foot up, we'll chamber the knee first, curl the toe back, and kick out. Then we can go back down. Again, using the ball of the foot now, right across behind the toe. That's what we're going to strike with, using the ball of the foot. From here, exhaling on our hip, and back down. Back down. Now, I've seen a lot of practitioners that want to use the ankle to fight with. The surface area is scattered out so much, it delivers a good kick, but not as devastating. It's the same effect as throwing a forearm into somebody or throwing an elbow. The ball of the foot, so strong. A little more exact, more power coming in. Now, if we were here, training low stances, make the leg stronger, make the body work it up, boom, for actual defense purposes. We're back to here. Now, this was our basic fighting stance. From here, we can bring our leg up, still straight in, snap the kick out, and then back down. Straight up, snap the kick out. You can go knee, groin, chest, head, anywhere you want to find. Other basic kicks from here, using this time the heel of the foot, where it's straight at the end of the leg. You're going to come up, then push the foot out. Just power comes in. You can take it again. If it's down, middle body, chest, or head. The next one we want to take on is picking it up like our front kick, but we're going to turn this one over, flipping a roundhouse kick up. Work this up. Now, on all of these kicks, if you noticed, the body stays up. Some styles will lean. The problem with leaning is most of your weight is going that way and the foot's going that way. Keeping everything up here, you can push into your target. See where it's going. And the power of the body is moving with the kick. So again, we want to keep everything in here, turning the body in and just flipping that kick in. Or turning, flipping that kick around. Straight back in, sticking that side kick. Or coming inside, the inside with a kick. The front leg or the back leg, if we're gonna come from here, you gotta use all that weight. A lot of big kicks that'll stretch. We're gonna reach up, show our target up here. Bring the hand around to it. Bring the foot to the hand. That's what we're looking for. Or from this side, coming back around. Now, that's our target for practice. In the fight, we grab, coming around and finding our opponent. That's our basic kicks and punches.